So looking at the way that actual goggles are produced, there are a number of different stages that go towards the finished product. If we start with the lens, there are two particular ways that we produce our lenses. Firstly is polycarbonate lenses, which are produced through a process of injection molding. We're getting granules of material. Those are heated up to molten liquid temperatures, and then they're injected into a mold. Second to that is our cellulose propionate lenses. It is a sheet of lens material which is then cut to the shape of the actual goggle itself, and also the way that the goggle is then created into a curved lens, which is done through a process of heat bending. And every good lens needs a good seal, and the way you get that is by producing a gasket which is appropriate to the goggle itself. We use two different types of material. One is thermoplastic rubber, which we can do a process through injection molding, and then secondly, silicon. Both materials have their own fit characteristics and benefits, but ultimately both are produced to accommodate the end result of the actual goggle itself in terms of the lens and the overall fitting structure that we're looking to achieve. An integral part of the goggle itself can often be the frame, and sometimes that frame is a component or a part of the actual gasket. Or alternatively, in the likes of our Predator and Predator Flex, that's a separate frame which is preformed and moulded and then fitted onto the goggle. Now it's either fitted on through a process of overmoulding, which we see in some of our Phantom masks, or alternatively through an assembly process which brings all of the components of the goggle together at the end of the manufacturing process. Straps are typically produced using a process called compression moulding, and through using a steel mould get different shapes which are specific to the goggle itself, and in some cases those shapes are integrating into the strap different elements that allow the goggle to fit onto the face more appropriately.